Hi guys, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be building this quiz application made purely with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Right. So on the screen you can see that I have some certain rules for this quiz. Like first one, to get started we need to enter our name. So here I'll be entering my name as the course by Sid only as my YouTube channel name, and then here it will ask me for the second step to upload your profile picture. So I'll click on the choose file, and then I'll come here and I'll select this profile pic. Right. Next thing is, it is saying that start the camera before starting the quiz. So I'll click on the start camera button, and here you can see that I'm in the camera. Right. Okay. Then there are some certain rules. It is showing here as that time is 30 seconds to answer the question. Then select the answer and click on next button. For next question, user can click on finish button anytime to finish the quiz. Result will be displayed only at the end of the quiz, and at the end of the quiz click on view solutions to see the answers. So I've already entered my name, uploaded my profile picture, and then I'm going to click on the start button. Right here you can see that my camera is still working, and here you can see that this question has appeared on your screen, like what does HTML stand for, and you can see that this timer is running. So I have to answer this question within 30 seconds only. So I'll say that this is the hypertext markup language, and then I'll click. Also I can change the options also, right? And then I'm going to click on this next button. Right, what does CSS stand for? So I'll be selecting this one. Right, so quickly I'll answer all the questions, and right now I'm not looking the correct answers, so I'm just selecting the answers to show you how this quiz application will work. At the starting you can see that your username will also display it, like welcome course by Sid. So whatever name you will be provide at the starting, that name you will going to see over here. Right, so let me answer the rest of the questions. Okay, so we have answered all the questions. Congratulations course by Sid, you got 6 out of 10 questions correct. Right, now I'll be seeing this solution, so I'll click on this view solution, and here you can see that this is the list. All the correct answers are showing in green color, while the incorrect answer are showing in red color. Right, so here you can see that there were 10 questions, and all the 10 questions with their answers are displaying over here. So this is the beauty of this quiz application. Also you can stop this camera from here by clicking on this stop camera button. So here you can see that the camera has now stopped. Right, so we will be building this quiz application with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So do let me know in the comment section when I will start this series. And guys, one more thing, if you are new on this channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe this channel so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. Also one more thing, if you like this video content, so I'll request you to hit the like button on this video, and if you have any doubts or if you have any questions, so you can ask the same in the comment sections. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.